Hello, this is Running Robert, and today we're going to be talking about the Assertio Holdings ASRT third quarter 2024 summary. Today is the 12th of November 2024, and in the summary, we're going to be looking at that earnings, and we're going to go over the bullish and the bearish parts of it. So I generally follow small cap pharma. I actually have a lot of stock videos that released yesterday. I do games, which will continue as soon as we get past all the earnings calls and stuff like that. So if you like what I'm doing, hey, please like and subscribe. It helps a lot, and thank you. Disclaimers, I own shares and options. They were bought under $1.10. So right now they're a little underwater, but I'm an amateur investor, and any advice given should be followed by your due diligence, and information given is valid for today, the 12th of November, and the slideshow will not be updated, but as we get a new slideshow. So let's go right into the results. So net product sales were 28.7. That was down from 30.7 in quarter two. Of course, that is the generic that is affecting us. Net loss was 2.9. That's down from 3.7. So that was a positive increase. End of quarter cash was 88.4 million compared to 88.6 million. So that itself is really nice. Like only a $200,000 loss, and when your net loss is under 3 million and you have 88 in the bank, you're great. There is 40 million in debt, but it's not due till September 2027. So 3 years from now, we have plenty of time to kind of sit on it. Rolvedin sales were 15 million, down from 15.1, and Indocin sales were 5.7, down from 6.9. The 2024 forecast sales were set between 115 to 125 million. And that's pretty much going to be if they can bump up any of the sales, we're at 125. If Indocin takes a crash and something else does, then 115. So let's talk about all the main products. So they have Rolvedin. So their sales were down. It is stated that the volume of sales continues to increase, but the pricing pressures decrease. There's a lot of competitors in this space, so this is something that we are kind of expecting. Now, $15 million in sales, and we're looking at 60 for the year is pretty good, but they bought this to replace Indocin, which its top sales are about 100, so kind of see they need to get a little bit better with that. The same-day dosing trial is completed. Results will be in December 2024. That is going to be good. That will give us a leg up for sales. So you can't really argue with that. And we need the stock to start producing better sales and profits as we continue to lose Indocin sale. And that's pretty much simple. We need more Rolvedin sales, and that's that. Indocin sales around from 5.7 down from 6.9. Again, suffers from having a generic on the market. There is still only a single generic on the market. So we've been losing $1 million-ish per time. So not terrible, but not great. But it's what we expected. Indocin is not a drug that you can really protect against a generic. And so yeah, we're going to continue to see sales go down. And go from there. So the rest of the conference call. So the other products, of course, were fairly flat with sales. Indocin and Rolvedin had 20.8 out of the 28.7, so they had most of the sales between those two. The company made a statement about Sympazan, and they're trying to focus on growth. So it is a smaller molecule. It's with some competition, but they're going to try a new marketing strategy for it. So, I mean, it can't go any worse. So we're hoping it's going to go better. And then, of course, the striking rebuttal of Mr. Parker's allegations. He is asking for cash and a board seat. So a couple red flags right there with that. Obviously, this is a completely striking because obviously this is all going to be recorded and be able to be on focus for as long as whatever. And so I generally don't think the allegations are true, and I'm not really going to worry about them. So overall thoughts, it was a fairly bland quarter. Not bad, not good. I mean, that's what you can do. We'll have to see if the company approaches to sales can help increase them, because that's really what you need. What we need to be looking for, of course, is better Rolvedin and Sympazan growth while on the lookout for other competitors for Indocin. And that's really what it comes down to. So we need those two drugs to grow more than what we're losing against the generics. Now, we still only have one generic, so we're not going to see a complete collapse in market sales. But again, I expect to probably lose $1 million-ish per quarter. So we need something to step up and kind of take over those losses, because we need to also get rid of that little bit of net loss we have too. But overall, $88 million in the bank, only a $3 million net loss. Indocin only is 5.7 million. So it's all looking fairly positive in that respect. The company has time to get this to work. And hopefully they will. So thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.